Good morning, students. Thank you very much, students, for clicking on my video. I'm your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's section, I'm going to discuss about the questions from Werner's theory, students. Okay, now how to find the number of moles of ions from 1 mole of the coordination compound. Clear? How to find the number of moles of ions? First, I will write the formula of the compound, formula of the coordination compound. Next, I will write the number of moles of ions. Understanding, students? How to find from Werner's theory formula of the compound and the number of the how to find the number of moles of ions. In the last video I discussed it, students. Okay, now please once you go through that, I am not going to discuss. Okay, now just I am going to discuss about the how many ions are formed. Okay, now in this section. Okay, now I am going to write first formula of the compound. See here, PtCl4 6 ammonia is there, amma. So what you have to write first formula I'm writing. Okay now, so central metal atom is platinum. Ammonia is a neutral ligand. Here ammonia is acting as a secondary valency, students. It is acting as a secondary valency. Okay, and chlorine is acting as a primary valency. Clear? Neutral molecules are acting as a secondary valency and negative ions are acting as a primary valency, students. Sometimes nana primary valency is also acting as a secondary valencies also. Okay, Nama, just to satisfy the coordination number. Are you understanding? Now here around the central metal atom, total 6 bonds should be there. Coordination number 6. To satisfy the coordination number 6, total ammonia 6 ligands are there. So NH3, it is a neutral molecule. Okay, it is acting as a secondary valency. That means it is the it indicates the coordination number, students. Total 6 ligands. Total it is satisfied the coordination number 6. Total 6 ammonias are there. Total, that means 6 nitrogen is a donor atom. It can form the 6 coordinate covalent bonds with the central metal atom. And your understanding, students, that means coordination number is 6 satisfied. Remaining how many ions are there? 4 chlorines are there. Secondary valencies always you have to write inside the square bracket, and primary valencies you have to write outside the square bracket. How many chlorines? 4 chlorines are there. So here already 6 coordination number satisfied. Remaining 4 chlorines I am taking outside. Okay, this is the formula of the coordination compound. Okay, nama, coordination compound. Next, see, students, here central metal atom is platinum. Here ammonia is the neutral molecule. It is acting as a secondary valency. That means you have to write inside the coordination zone NH3 5 times, but here coordination number 5 only there. To satisfy the coordination number 6, one more ion you have to take. That means 1 chlorine I am taking. So it is the coordination zone. That means chlorine is the primary valency. It is acting as a secondary valency also. That's why we are taking here 5, here 1 chlorine. Total 6 coordination number satisfied. 1 chlorine gone. Remaining how many are there, students? 3 chlorines are there. 3 chlorines will go to the outside the coordination zone. Clear? And next one, third compound, see, students, platinum. Here NH3, how many are there? 4 molecules are there. NH3 4. That means your coordination number 4. We need to satisfy the coordination number 6, students. Here 2 chlorines, 2 ions required. That means 2 chlorines I am taking, Cl2. Then 4 plus 2, total 6 coordination number satisfied. Coordination number 6 you have to take. 6 satisfied. So 2 chlorines over. Remaining 2 chlorines you have to take outside the coordination zone. Okay, Nama. Now see, students, fourth compound here, platinum central metal atom, 3 ammonias are there, 3 NH3 are there, 3 over. Remaining 3, to satisfy the coordination number 6, remaining 3, I am taking 3 chlorines. Okay, and one more chlorine you have to take outside the coordination zone or outside the square bracket. And next one is platinum is a central metal atom. 3 ammonias are there. NH3 3. And how many chlorines required? 3 chlorines are required. Remaining 2 chlorines you have to take outside. Clear? And next one is last example, see, students, PtCl4, platinum. 2 ammonias are there. NH3 twice. Remaining 4, to satisfy the coordination number 6, remaining 4 I am taking inside the square bracket Cl4. Now 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 1 6, 6. all coordination numbers satisfied. Okay, now I'm writing the number of moles of ions. How many ions? That means these coordination compounds, when added to the water, how many ions they are producing. So when added to the water, students, how many ions are formed? When it is added to the water, okay, it produces how many moles of ions? How many ions it can give? How many ions? When it is added to the water, it dissociates into how many ions? Listen, students, in the square bracket part, what are there? They will not dissociate into ions. The square bracket part only one ion. It is one ion. It is one ion. Clear this one? Now tell me, students, here, this is one ion, and here four chlorines are there. Understanding? So if you four chlorines are there, four chlorines means how many will get the four ions. One reaction I will discuss, you students, see here. So PTNH3 6, this is the coordination square bracket part, this is cation, plus four chlorines are there. Four chlorines I am taking here. Four, this number will come to here charge, okay, that means 4. It is cation 4 plus, and Cl is the minus 1. It is square bracket part, only one is there. That one number will come to here chlorine side, crisscross method. This number will go to here charge, and this one number will go to the charge here. Okay, so Cl minus. Total how many ions formed, students, here? Total 4 Cl minus ions. So this is one ion. One ion, chloride ions 4. One, understanding, this is one ion, this is 4 ion. Total 5 ions are formed. Clear? Total 5 ions. Now tell me, students, I am writing directly here. Total 3, outside the coordination zone, 3 ions are there, 3 chloride ions. So this is 1 ion. 3 plus 1, 4 ions are formed. Clear? 4 ions are formed. Now tell me here 2 ions. So this is the square bracket part, 1 ion. Total how many? 2 plus 1, 3 ions are formed. 3 ions. Okay. Now here 1 ion is there, 1 chlorine. Here this is 1. Total 2 ions are formed. Clear this, students? And coming to here, 2 chlorines, 2 ions, and this one, total how many ions? 3 ions. And this one, here there is no outside the coordination zone, only 1 ion is formed. Are you understanding? Clear, students? Okay, now, so how to write the formula of the compound? When it is added to the water, how many ions are produced? Clear, students? Understood, Amma? So how to write the formula of the compound? How many number of moles of ions are produced from each compound? 1 mole of the compound. Okay, I hope you like this video, students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel, students. Thank you very much, students.